Anslem's ontological argument purports to be a priori proof of God's existence. Anslem starts with the premises that do not depend on the experience for the justification, and then proceeds to be purely logical means to the conclusion that God exists. His aim is to refute the fool who says in his heart that there is no God, Psalms 14:1. This fool has two important features. He understands the claim that God exists, and two, he does not believe that God exists. So basically, Anslem's ontological argument states that if you can think of something, then it must exist. We don't personally agree with that. However, we have taken the time to make our own analogy to his argument. Here it is.
He related Anslem's argument to an actual scientific equation, like the law of the pendulum. In the law of the pendulum, we first do the equation, which is followed by the experiment that's backed up by the equation. This is like Anslem's argument with the painting, where the painter thinks of the actual painting first, which is like our equation, which is followed by him actually doing this and making it exist, which is like our swinging of the pendulum, which is backed up.
This is literally going to
So what we did today was we kind of used the pendulum as an analogy for the painter analogy in Anslem's ontological argument. He basically said that because the painter can think of a painting in his mind and then subsequently perform, like draw the painting, therefore the painting exists as an idea. And he tries to prove the existence of God in this way. So what we did basically was we wrote out the equation for the period of a pendulum, and then we actually set like a pendulum in motion and saw that it worked. So therefore, that's an example of how like an idea is becoming something that's real.
Facts.